Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace Joy. Today I'm checking out the Fenney Recreation Center. I wanted to check out the little nature trail that they have. So this place is beautiful already. It's very wooded, lots of shade, so I'm looking forward to this. Here we go. So here's the head spring, and it says that Fenney Spring is one of the several springs in Lake Panasoffsky Springs Group, which consists of numerous small springs in a 9-square-mile area that encompasses the southern half of Lake Panasoffsky. So here is where the gym is, I believe, and over there is the pool and the Fenney Grill, which we'll get closer to there. They also have a fire pit right here where you see the Adirondack chairs around. Then you can see this water right here, and then you'll see also the nature trail that kind of wraps around the rec center. So this pre-restoration information says that prior to the village's acquisition of Fenney Springs property, the shoreline and the land adjacent to the spring was severely eroded, which is this picture right here, I believe, and the water quality degraded in part by the cattle utilizing the spring for water and shelter during the heat of summer. In addition, there was a pump in the spring that was used for irrigation, which affected normal spring flows. The pump has been removed, as well as the cattle, and the villages implemented restoration at the head of the springs and the upper spring run. It also says that the spring run was completely stabilized, and they included slopes and native plants were installed, as well as adjacent upland areas. So these were the plants that they installed. So I just finished the trail. I was out there for about 25 minutes, and it's very hot. So if you guys go, make sure that you try to go as early as you can, and make sure that you have your sunscreen on, your hat, sunglasses, maybe bug spray. And it's not a very big trail. It'll take you 20 minutes if you kind of just leisurely walk around it and take photos and take in the information. Now I'm gonna go check out the Fenney Recreation itself and maybe grab some lunch at the Fenney Grill.